We begin this evening with a primetime news follow-up. Mere days after the attempted robbery of the People's Cooperative Bank in Summerhill, St. James, a man has turned himself in to the police. Sources say he has declared that he's innocent, but after he was linked to the incident in social media posts, he chose to visit the police station to clear his name. In the meantime, we revisited the usually quiet community where citizens have been left shaken. Here's Kirk Wright with the details.
It's early days, and the police say their probe into finding the armed men who attempted to rob the PC Bank has yielded little success at this time. Summerhill in St. James, where the attempted robbery happened, is a farming community. And because farming is their main economic activity, the people here rely heavily on the People's Cooperative or PC Bank. Today the bank was closed. It's all because of the attempted robbery, leaving the customers inconvenienced.
I mean, come for the business and three bank, three things go on, the bank close up, So come boy, he make it rough upon we in the community, you see me? Yeah, man, I say set up, you see it.
So you think the bank will go open back for you to get to do your business?
I wonder when it going open. Because today I want to do a little thing, you see me? I wonder if you may open further in a week, I can get to do business, you see me?
The community is shaken by the unfortunate incident. The residents realize things could have turned out worse had it not been for a man of unsound mind who chased the 5 armed men away. We went in search of the man of unsound mind but couldn't find him, and the people, too scared to appear to be helping us to find him. The community is generally a quiet place, but things are changing.
Don't have much incident of time, but area is being affected like most areas with migration of criminals. We are seeing where persons are taking up residence, persons with criminal background.
There is high skepticism about the report that it was the man of unsound mind that scared off the robbers. So we asked Superintendent Russell about it.
It was confirmed that the male seen individual was in fact a man of unsound mind. He did indeed had the bottom half of a fire hose that he held in a position like a gun. I cannot confirm if he was making sounds with his mouth sounding like gunshots, but he was advancing to the gunmen and appeared as if they thought it was a man with a firearm attacking them, and they fled.
I think people are confused by the shots being fired on the compound of the PC Bank. It was it would appear as if
those shots were being fired from the men who were retreating.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.